Let's not forget, even if it's going to take years, let's not forget them. Let's not get used to it. You can never get used to injustice. We should never get used to pain and suffering of the others. And the more we see what we are seeing, and again, I was saying this to myself, how grateful we should be to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And I'm saying this to myself, what will I say to him when I stand in front of him? Everybody in this room, what test we went through, right? And I mean, the stories from Gaza, which one we start to which one we end. You heard Sheikh Umar talking about the man who's Khalid, who he lost his granddaughter, Ruh al-Ruh, he used to call her, the soul of the soul. And it's not now becoming a hashtag. And everybody else, and the woman who says, Alhamdulillah, la ilaha illallah, and the girl who said, it is she, you've seen her. She was saying, that it's my mother, I know her from her hair. And the man trying to console her and says, no, it is not. She says, no, I know it is she. I mean, the story is beyond. But the point is, we, the blessed ones, we need to remember this. And we need to be grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And then I'm going to get you to the sabrun jameel, the beautiful patient. The beautiful patient for us, and again, may Allah forgive us, is when the temperature becomes 50 or becomes 40 in Dallas. And it gets very cold and everybody starts complaining. And if you come to California, even worse. Because everything is available, and everything is available in the best way and easy. You want to go and buy any fruits, you're going to stand in front of there and says, which one I'm going to take? And many of us, walillah alhamd, we don't even think about the price. So the more we see this, and I kept asking myself, Ya Allah, there is a hikmah, you're making me see this and live this. And the only thing I say, show me your wisdom and make me learn from it. And make it in a way to make my right scale heavier.